Oh, lovely. Hello, everybody. It's that time of the month. It's here, subscription box. This is from Beyond the Pink Door. Andrea and the girls at Beyond the Pink Door. I get it every month, as I'm sure everybody knows now. It's Andrea runs a company in Ireland. Oh, this is a bit different. Look. It says new box coming soon. Do you know, I thought it felt different when I picked it up from the behind the bin where it was outside. It feels, it's much smaller. And I thought, oh, that feels very small. Excuse the state of me this morning, by the way. I've literally only got up at 11:30 and it's now about, I don't know, about 12:10 or something like that. Really bad night, couldn't sleep at all. Went back to bed at, tried to get to sleep, couldn't sleep. 6:30, went back to bed. And I think I've dozed on and off since then. And then I finally fell in a deep sleep at about 8:30. So I think I've had about 3 hours, which is quite good for me. But I'm still half asleep. I've just taken youngest son to the gym. And it's quite breezy here today. So, yeah. I'm a bit windswept. I'm still half asleep. Need to put my teeth in. Can't speak properly yet. Oh, I'm excited to see what the new boxes are like next month. It's a bit of a teaser, that, Andrea. A bit of a teaser. Oh, it is like a little parcel. Look. So it's a tiny little thing. This month's box contains 2.5 meters of 100% viscose. There are 3 colours available this month. Wishing you a fun unboxing. Oh, thank you, Andrea. What I've got, this week on the back of the little letter, we have an easy fruit sorbet recipe. So that's good for this sort of weather, isn't it? Yeah. Oh, I'm liking the tissue paper this month. It's all glittery. I'm going to try and do this slower than I normally do, because I normally like rip into it and think, oh, that's it. And I've only chatted to you for about 6 minutes or something. But I'm just too excited to get into it. I just want to rip into it and get it. But anyway, I came back from taking him to the gym and there was some Happy Meal on the floor, not this. And I thought, oh, Royal Mail's been. Well, that means my box must be here somewhere. And, oh, blimey. Oh, lovely. So I had to go pulling all the wheelie bins. In our bit of the country, you get three wheelie bins. So you get a recycling bin, a garden bin, and a normal waste bin. So I had to separate them, and I don't know how, but the guy had managed to chuck it right in the back corner, so I had to pull all the bins out to get to it. Didn't stop me though. I'm in a flip-flop state of mind. Right, and yeah, and that's the 3 colourways on the back. Unfortunately, yeah, well, you see, this is why I got these boxes, to push me out my comfort zone. But it looks like there's a blue, a pink and a green. That's my thread, so that'll tell you what I've got. But I don't know. Does that really go with? I'm not really sure. Think Pink Club. I think is that a sew-on patch? See, I always guess what these things are, and then I watch somebody else's. Oh, it's from the Specky Seamstress. I always watch somebody else's unboxing, and they'll say, oh, this is a such and such, and I think, all right, that's what it is. That's pretty. That's pretty. It's not going to go on my material that I've just been sent, but I'm sure it'll go on something else. But that's the background to what used to be on the old box, isn't it? They were this sort of pink and dark pink leopard print. Keep calm and carry on. So I'm thinking it's very much a beach themed box. Ooh. Oh, foot and but I did wonder what that was. It looked like a flattened Weetabix. Sapphics foot and body care scrub pad, made from coconut fibre. Actually, the ends of it are quite sharp. Crikey. If you catch yourself with that, you'll know about it. So that'll obviously safe for your hands. Odorless, no bacteria, no germs, gentle deep cleanse. Well, I'll use it on my feet, definitely. I could do with an angle grinder on my feet, to be fair. And what's this? Oh, and some artisan soap. Oh, that's lovely. It's like minty. Handmade in Killaloe, County Clare, Ireland. Palm free. Zero waste seaweed. Doesn't smell like. It smells minty. It smells minty. It's lovely. Look at that. Oh, that's lovely. Well, that might wake me up actually if I go and have a shower with that and scrub myself with the scourer. That'll definitely wake me up. Oh, I love the way you get things all wrapped up. Oh, now you see, looking at this material in the box, I wasn't that keen. I've just gone to literally just to pick it out the box, and it's that lovely soft stuff again. It is so soft. So I'm thinking a pair of Sophia pants. Don't know if you might look a bit like a clown in those sorts of pants. I don't know. What does everybody think? I mean, you've got 2.5 meters, so there is quite a bit there. I just don't know if I'm a sort of a, what do you call these patterns? Geometric. I don't know if I'm a geometric sort of person. Definitely flowers, definitely plain, definitely leaves, animal prints. Just, again, it's not something I would go for if I walked into a fabric shop and got it. But it is so drapey and so soft. Let's see if we can get it opened out. I wonder if I could get another ZD out of that, you know. That might look quite good actually. Rather than just have sort of a top or a skirt or a pair of trousers out of the bottom, if you made a dress or a ZD. I really must stop thinking about ZDs. Otherwise I can see me making another 3 before the end of the summer, not having a chance to even wear them. What does everybody think? If you get the box, you tell me what you're going to make, if you've got any ideas. But look at the drape on that. I mean, it's gorgeous, gorgeous and soft. It really is. I don't even know if I would have gone for it if I'd been in a fabric shop and I'd seen the 3 colourways, if I would have bought the pink or the blue, because I just don't go for those sorts of patterns. It's something I would like fly past if I was ordering material online. But, you know, does it suit me? What do you think? Anyway, let me know if you've got any ideas, if you think what I should make, if you know what, if you have any ideas what you think I should make. Let me know. It's so tired. I'm just so tired. Or if you've got the subscription box, what colourway did you get, and what you think of the material and what you're planning to make. And I'm off to go and finish my first cup of coffee of the day and wake myself up. Cheers. Oh, that's lovely. And I'll see you all soon. and hopefully I might have a bit more of an idea about what I'm making out of this material. Take care everybody, see you soon, bye.